Today has been a door. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. Today there's gonna be an opening of one of my favorite subscription boxes, my Allure beauty box for September 2024. Long time. Anywho, I'll leave more about this subscription down below. It is a monthly box. I do pay for the annual subscription option. You do get full size, and I don't remember if they call it deluxe sample sizes, but they're small sample sizes. Anywho, we're gonna open this, see what I got. Love everything I get in here. Ugh. Oh, you smell nice. What is it? Cute box. It smells good. Packaging. Oh, our annual Best of Beauty Awards are coming. Oh my god. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't agree with those. I have some thoughts immediately. If you've seen any of my other subscription boxes I've done, you'll know why. These are my bangs. They do what they want today, because today is a busy day. Anywho, here's a whole cute little pamphlet booklet that comes with this. Tells you a little bit about the items, a little note from the editor-in-chief, deputy beauty director, a little bit about what you got. I don't know if you picked, anyway, a little bit about what you got, why you love it, how to use it, tips, tricks, the price, where to get, like they include it all. So let me show you. This first item is from NUDESTIX, which I do love. What are you? This one? Hi. This little guy didn't... I don't know if it was a subscription box. I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills, something like this. This is the NUDESTIX Nudes Matte All Over Face Blush Color in Sunset Strip, Naughty and Nice, or Picante, or NUDESTIX Nudies Bloom All Over Face Dewy Color in Cherry Blossom Babe. $35. I got Sunset Strip. So this is the NUDESTIX Nudes Matte All Over Face Blush Color. Looks like this. I don't know if I want to open it because I already have one open, and then I have another one that I need to use before this one. It's from Dips, something like that. I do love NUDESTIX though. Is this the... Oh look, it says Sunset Strip. It's kind of like one of those all-in-one things. The issue that I have currently with my ABH one is the blush part, like it's loose, so it just like flings everywhere, and I've looked up like how to fix it. I guess you cannot, because it's supposed to be like refillable or replaceable. In my opinion, it's not really refillable. You just replace it with the full one. Well, I guess it's like refillable. That's the only dilemma I have with that one. I have to keep it in my bag. Well, I don't have to. I've traveled with it. It just kind of gets all over the cap, which it already is anyway. So, anywho, those are my problems. Why you'll love it. There's like a paragraph here. It says, NUDESTIX Cream Blush rises above the rest because each shade gives your cheeks and lips a natural glow of color that brightens up your whole look. Huh. I think I chose this one. I'm not 100% sure. I think so though. Lucky me. Ooh, I remember seeing this. They're so tiny though. It's an eye cream. I'm getting sick of these. Can I use these on like my elbow? Because they're so tiny. And I have like 1,000 of them. Honestly, like I could fill up a whole drawer. Like a dresser drawer. Like a good sized dresser. Just with there's gotta be another way to use these. Anywho, this is the Ren Skincare Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. I don't think I have dark circles. If if I go like a couple weeks with getting like 2 hours of sleep every night, then I start to get some dark circles, I think. But for the most part, like I'm doing a no makeup kind of thing, and it looks okay. Although I did get told by like the 3 people who did my makeup that they're putting on concealer to cover up the darkness. I think I have under eye blindness. Like I'm fine. You know how you get like blush blindness? I have blonde blindness, by the way, because I wish this was white, and every time I do it I'm like yes, but then I'm like no, and then it's a me thing. I know it is. Anywho, off topic again. So this is a full-size product, and it's $51. $51. What'd you do? $51. Why am I gonna love it? It's hard to find an eye cream that actually makes a difference in how under eyes look, but with consistent nightly use. I noticed this formula helps lessen both discoloration and puffiness. Shut the front door. I don't have puffiness either. That I don't have an issue with. I think a little bit of discoloration. Clean to skin, clean to planet. What is in it? It's got one of those like air packages, so every time you pump, it like lifts the product up, keeps the air out. Cool. Please recycle. Oh, I do. Let me tell you. I mean, Allure beauty boxes never really driven me wrong. I might have to try it sooner rather than later. Ooh. So this is by the brand Beauty for Certain. It is the High Pigment Gloss in Diamond. Does it look very pigment? I think I'm misunderstanding what the word pigment is. Or you do the thing where you're like, I don't think you understand the word that you are saying means the thing that you think you are saying it means. You know what I mean? This little guy's $22 for a lip gloss. One, I don't like lip glosses because they're sticky, but like, is this sticky? And then 2, pigment. Swipe it over your lips for a dewy, glossy look, or tap it into just the center of your lips for a subtle highlight. It's pretty, and I've been into sparkly lately. I don't know if you can tell, my eyes are covered ever so slightly with like the sparkliest little sparkles. I've been into sparkles lately. Maybe Allure knows this, so that's why they sent this to me. It's just plastic wrap, so I'm not going to take her off. Have you guys used this? Is it as pigmented as they say it is? Maybe like they're talking about the sparkle, like the diamond pig. Is it sticky? Curious. Anywho, ooh. This next item, there you are. Look how cute. I have gotten this brand in other subscription boxes before, and I'll tell you right now, it is good. This looks like a beautiful color though. This is the Dear Midnight ATELIER Lip Pencil in Stella. It's 18 doll hairs. Trace your lip line or go just a smidge outside it for extra fullness, and top with lipstick or gloss for longer wearing, more polished looking lip color. This stuff is amazing. It's kind of creamy, but it's enough to like glide, and then I feel like it lasts for a good amount of time. And this one makes it look like it's gonna be my color. No, I don't want to open it, but yes, I do. It's got the little... I'm trying to like twist and pull. It's not working. It's got the little shrink wrap on it, so I'm gonna have to take it off later. Otherwise, I'm gonna be here all day struggling. As much as I know you guys want to see me struggle, we're gonna move on. Ooh, oh, it's a baby one. Okay, so this I thought this is what smelled. So this next item is from BANILA Co. It's the Clean It Zero Calming Cleansing Balm. $22 for 100 ml. This is not the 100 ml. This is like a baby sample size. There's no way. Do you tell me your size? No, that's okay. But this stuff works so good. So good. But I have like other cleansing oils, cleansing balms that I'm trying to get through. But as soon as I can like purchase my own, it's this brand right here. Yes. K-Beauty Cleanse. Oh, I didn't know it was a K-Beauty Cleansing Balm. Scoop out a little and massage it over dry skin. Add a splash of water to your face and massage it again, then rinse. You're immediately going in the bathroom with me because I love this stuff. I tried it on a whim one day in my shower because I had one of these, like the pink one in there, and I just ran out of my cleansing oil, so I was like, let me try this real quick. What's it gonna do? It took it all off. All of it. It took it all off. God. Anywho. Oh yeah, I forgot. That's probably what makes the box smell. This next item is from Red Flower. Which guys? Come here. Red Flower. It's a cleansing hair wash in Palo Santo. Palo Santo cleansing hair wash. This is 40 ml. But the full size, which is 300 ml, is $38. Why? $38. Why? I don't think I've ever heard of you before, but your packaging is really cute. I'm loving this. This is giving me like fifth grade art class vibes. You know, when you had the really cool art teacher with the glasses who wore the sweaters over his button-up shirt and like did the coffee 24/7 kind of thing. That. This is that. I love it. Sexy woody smell of Palo Alto. It's a stuff niche perfume habit. Uses natural remedy, easing stress. I know. Now your hair can smell like one of perfumery's most revered woody scents. Red Flower shampoo. Let me smell. Are you open? Oh, it's open. It smells nice. Very clean, very subtle though. I like it. I wonder if it's going to smell different like in the shower. You know how like it's steamy and it kind of changes scents a little bit? I wonder. Okay. And this next item I already got in a subscription box. It's nice. I'm currently using it. No complaints. Doesn't dry out my skin or anything like that. This is and it's the same one I have. Yep. Dove Plant Milk Cleansing Bar in turmeric milk and lemon drop. Plant Milk Cleansing Bar. A glow booster. It's $5.99. Why am I gonna love it? Bar soaps are usually more utilitarian than fun. Is your body wash fun? My body wash is kind of just there to get the job done. Is that not? Are we supposed to have fun? What? You know what? Anywho. Dove Sweetly Scented Bars actually liven up your shower. Subtle when you're sudsing. Get a hint of coconut or berry or lemon. Start or end your day. Don't linger on skin for long. They do. You're absolutely right. I do feel like this is a paid add-on because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, did you tell me that? Yeah, no, yeah. No. Yeah. I feel like this is just a paid add-on kind of item to the box. It's not bad. I do feel like this is a paid add-on because I got it in my FabFitFun box recently. That's how I got this. That's why I started using this. At first I was like, oh, when Dove came out with these, that's so nice. I have a drawer, literally a whole drawer in my bathroom filled with soaps, like bar soaps. Goat milk, oat milk, other materials, Lush soaps, like you need tons, ridiculous amounts of bar soap, and I need to go through it. So I was like, okay, no more buying body wash. We're gonna switch over to bar soap so we can get this done. And it's probably gonna be like the biggest challenge of my whole entire life. There's a lot of soaps. Anywho, I don't know if this bar soap necessarily belongs in here, but it's in here. And that's everything. So, let me see if I can do the fish picture so you can see everything. You know what I'm talking about? Like the fish where the guy goes fishing and then like he shows you his catch and he's all happy. Oh, that fits perfect. Oh, okay. And this is how I drop stuff. Okay. Ta-da! Yeah? Is that how guys do it? Like that's how you take pictures of your fish? Yeah. Proud of it. Proud of it. I want to be proud of it, but I did not pick any of these things. Allure Beauty Box did, and I'm excited. I will be using all the items in here. A few things I'm questionable on, but I will be using them. Let me know your thoughts on some of these things in the comments below. I'm gonna go add this bar of soap to my drawer in my bathroom. It's gonna be fine. I'll get through the soap bars eventually. I'm gonna go now. Thanks for hanging out. If you like what you see, you can hit that like, subscribe button, and then go check out the playlist for my Allure beauty boxes if you're curious to see what's come in previously. That's the word. I'm gonna go now. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.